Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. As you all know, I am Shubhro and have come up with some new and important current affairs for my ongoing series. Make sure to like and subscribe with ProAS WBCS so that you can catch up with all the updates. Let's start with the first topic and some important informations. You all know the name Ravi Shastri, cricket all-rounder, commentator and coach Ravi Shastri. He is going to make his publishing debut. He have penned a book titled Stargazing, The Players in My Life. I repeat, he have penned a book titled Stargazing, The Players in My Life. The book is published by HarperCollins, India. It is being co-authored by Ayaz Memon. It is expected to be released on June 25th, 2021. In his book, Shastri have written about some 60 extraordinary talents he have met across the world who have inspired him. The next topic is about a book titled Savarkar, A Contested Legacy 1924 to 1966, authored by Vikram Sampath. The book will hit the stands on July 26, 2021 under the publication of Penguin Random House, India. I repeat, the book will hit the stands on July 26, 2021 under the publication of Penguin Random House, India. The next topic is again on a book titled Languages of Truth, Essays 2003 to 2020, authored by Salman Rushdie. In his new book, Rushdie attempts to perform a defensive castling move. He suggests his works has been misunderstood and mistreated because the literary culture has turned from a biofilled imaginative writing towards a humbler delight of autofiction. Now comes the most important topic of this today's session, which is about a famous volcanic eruption. Mount Nyiragongo erupted in the Democratic Republic of Congo. In short, DRC. Mount Nyiragongo erupted in the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is one of the several volcanoes near the DRC's border with Rwanda and Uganda. Now to point out with some important facts from this topic arises four important questions. The first question is about who is the President of Republic of Congo. The name of this president is Denis Sassou Nguesso. I repeat, Denis Sassou Nguesso. The second question is who is the Prime Minister of Republic of Congo. The name of this Prime Minister is Anatole Colinet Makosso. I repeat, Anatole Colinet Makosso. The third question is about what is the capital of Congo. The capital of Congo is Brazzaville. And the last question is about what is the currency of Congo. The currency of Congo is Colonis franc. Yes, the names are the tough ones to remember, but you have to remember it right to pass the examinations. The next topic is a very important topic, my dear students. It is all about a Syrian president. You all know the name Bashar al-Assad. Yes, it is a tough one. I repeat, Syrian president Bashar al-Assad has been re-elected for the fourth straight 7-year term in a landslide victory, winning 95.1% of the total votes cast. The 55-year-old Assad is serving as the 19th president of Syria since July 17, 2000. Another important question arises from this topic. What is the capital of Syria? The capital of Syria is Damascus. Please write it down in your notebook, my dear students. The capital of Syria is Damascus, and the currency of Syria is Syrian pound. The next topic is about the Indian pugilist Mary Kom, who have lost to the two-time world champion Nazem Kazebe of Kazakhstan to settle for the silver medal at the 2021 ASBC in full Asian Boxing Championship, which have held in Dubai. The next topic is about an Indian economist and a Nobel laureate, Amartya Kumar Sen, who have conferred with the 2021 Princess of Asturias Award, which has been awarded by Spain in the social science category. I repeat, Indian economist and Nobel laureate Amartya Kumar Sen has been conferred with the 2021 Princess of Asturias Award by the Spain in the social science category. Next topic is about the President of Republic of Congo, Denis Sassou Nguesso, who have appointed Anatole Collinet Makosso as the country's Prime Minister. I repeat, the President of Republic of Congo, Denis Sassou Nguesso, have appointed Anatole Collinet Makosso as the country's Prime Minister. He have replaced Clement Moamba. This is a very important topic, my dear students. He have replaced Clement Moamba in office since 2016. Before his appointed, Makosso was the education minister of the Central African country. He was also the Minister of Youth and the Civic Instructions from 2011 to 2016. The next topic is about a Hindi writer, Professor Sharad Pagare, who will be conferred with the prestigious Vyas Samman 2020. He will be awarded with the 31st Vyas Samman for his novel Patliputru Ki Samragi. Vyas Samman started in 1991, which has been given by K.K. Birla Foundation for an outstanding literacy work in Hindi authored by an Indian citizen, published during the last 10 years. The next topic is about a book which is titled as Sikkim, A History of Intrigue and Alliance, published by HarperCollins India, released on May 16, which is celebrated as Sikkim Day. I repeat, the book titled Sikkim, A History of Intrigue and Alliance has been published by HarperCollins India, which is released on May 16, and the day is celebrated as Sikkim Day. Former diplomat Preet Mohan Singh Malik combines insights into the unique history of erstwhile kingdom of Sikkim with the intriguing story of how it became India's 22nd state in his new book. The objective of the book, he says, is to clarify and establish the primacy of strategic issue that lay behind India's decision to accept the demand that Sikkim is merged with India. Now, to conclude with the last topic of my session of today's current affair, the topic is about American author Jhumpa Lahiri, who have launched a new novel titled Whereabouts. The book is an English translation of the Italian novel Ias Dovmi Trovo. I repeat, the book is an English translation of an Italian novel Ias Dovmi Trovo, which was written by Jhumpa Lahiri itself. So my dear students, thank you all, and please share your thoughts about this video on the comment box below. Another important information I want to share to all of you is about our new batch of WBCS and SI is going to start quickly. Please have a look on the description box for details. Signing out. Thank you.